After riding for about an hour in the Xperia, we took a small break for breakfast. We got down to a small restaurant at the banks of the backwaters. They were convincing us to have some local fishes from there, but since it was breakfast time, we skipped having fishes and instead we had anda curry and Malabar parotha. After the 3-hour Xperia ride, we went few kilometers ahead of Alleppey to have some lunch. The driver had some fish fry and the Kerala meal plate. Whereas we had some chicken biryani for lunch. After having our lunch, we left for Xperia, which was our next destination, and slowly the scenery started changing. It became more and more greener and mistier. We stopped at a random spot where there was an old tea factory and the atmosphere around was very beautiful and serene. So we reached Xperia at about 7 p.m. and after finding a good homestay, we set out to find some good food for dinner. So that was it for this day. We hope you loved this vlog, and if you're loving our travel vlogs, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for the next vlog where we'll be exploring the Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary in Thekadi. So see you guys in the next vlog. Goodbye.